Embroidery enthusiasts, rejoice! The Brother PE800 Embroidery Machine is here to elevate your stitching experience with its array of features designed to inspire creativity and streamline the embroidery process. Dazzling designs. One of the standout features of the PE800 is its impressive collection of 138 built-in embroidery designs. From intricate scrollwork to delicate florals and captivating quilt patterns, this machine provides a rich palette for your artistic expression. The inclusion of 10 frame designs and 11 fonts, including 7 English, 3 Japanese, and 1 Cyrillic, adds a personalized touch for monogramming and lettering enthusiasts. Large color touchscreen. Navigating through the creative process is a breeze with the PE800's large 3.2-inch LCD color touchscreen. Preview your designs with clarity and precision before committing to embroidery. The touchscreen also facilitates design editing, allowing you to rotate, mirror image, and adjust the size of your creations effortlessly. Effortless threading. The PE800 boasts user-friendly features, starting with the straightforward threading process. Follow the numbered threading diagram on the machine, and the automatic needle threader guides the thread seamlessly through the needle eye. The LCD touchscreen further enhances the user experience with step-by-step tutorials covering essential topics such as threading the machine and attaching the embroidery arm. Versatility 5-inch by 7-inch embroidery. Craft larger-than-life designs with the PE800's generous 5-inch by 7-inch embroidery field. Accompanied by an embroidery foot and hoop, this machine caters to those who aspire to stitch expansive and intricate patterns with ease. Digital import capability. Embrace customization by importing your embroidery designs through the USB port, expanding your creative horizons beyond the built-in options. This feature ensures that your machine stays current and adaptable to evolving design preferences. Things to consider. While the PE800 boasts an impressive array of features, it's crucial to address user feedback. Some users have reported issues with the bobbin case, specifically citing problems with the bobbin case brush causing thread disturbances. Additionally, difficulties in reaching customer support have been expressed, leading to frustration among users experiencing technical glitches. Final verdict. In the realm of embroidery machines, the Brother PE800 stands out as a versatile and feature-rich option. Its expansive embroidery field, diverse design options, and user-friendly interface make it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced embroiderers. While some users have encountered issues, the majority praise its functionality and creative potential. As with any purchase, prospective buyers should carefully evaluate their specific needs and consider the potential challenges reported by users. The Brother PE800 is poised to be a game-changer for those seeking a reliable, feature-packed embroidery machine to bring their creative visions to life.